How to remove the green screen when using iMovie, and we are now in 2023, so hopefully this will be very helpful for you. I actually came across this problem when I transitioned over from Adobe Premiere Pro Elements onto iMovie, and I didn't have the same problem in Adobe Premiere Pro Elements. So if that is also you've been on that journey as well, then this video is also for you. And I promise you it's very quick and easy, so let's just jump straight into it. Hi, my name is Lillian, and I'm here to help online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners with their online coaching business. I supercharge them to the next level, and I offer all online coaches a free spot, a free listing in the Soul Central directory, which goes out to over 10,000 plus manifestors, intuitives, soul searchers and seekers. And yeah, if that sounds like you, if that is the right audience that you would like to go for, then feel free to subscribe, like this particular video, comment below Soul Central directory, and I will send you the information. Okay, let's hop on into my Mac. Okay, so here we are. This is one of my videos I was creating last week in my iMovie application on my Mac. And yeah, I have one of these. It's a subscribe video. I don't even know what you call it, but one of these that you always see pop up. Now, when I was in Adobe Premiere Pro Elements, this green screen didn't come up. So when I transitioned over to this, I was just like, what the hell do I do? So what you do need to do is quick, simple and easy. Place your mini video on top of the video that you would like. And you would go over here to... You double click on this video, go over here to cutaway, and there we are, voila. And that is it. The green screen has now been removed, and there we have it.